All right, Dean back here at this gun show, and you have to buy things where you find them. So I'm sitting here at the gun show. Guy comes by, knows I buy all kinds of stuff, and he says, I got a bunch of slot cars. Are you interested in TJet type slot cars? Of course I'm interested in TJet slot cars. So let's see what we got. So gun show's still going on, but I bought slot cars. I think there's 22 of them. I gave about 15 bucks a piece. But I like slot cars. Sold a pile of them. Got a pile more of them. So buy cool stuff when you find it. Find it where you can. And God bless America and God bless you. Have a good day.